Tripura is one of the 7 sister states of Northeast India. It is small, but it is home to a number of tribes. Tripura is close to the Bangladesh border and it has Assam and Mizoram to the east. The state has a large mix of tribes including the Tipra, Riang, Chakmas, Jamatia, Mog, Munda, Kuki, Garo and the Halam. The Halam make up 4.8% of the population. The Tipra king coined the term Halam to designate a set of people from Tripura and Assam. The Halams are actually composed of 15 sub-tribes who speak a common language, the Riam Chong, which is similar to the Kuki-Chin language of the Tibeto-Burman family. Collectively, the Halam call themselves as Riam, which means human beings in the local language. According to the last census, there are 58,000 of them. Some of them follow the original religion of animism, while some have become Hindus, while some have converted to Christianity. The Halams belong to the Kuki groups. According to the legend, the Halam claimed descent from a couple who emerged from a cave. Some scholars trace them to hills to the north of Manipur. Some Kukis subjugated themselves to the king of Tripura and came to be termed Halam. Kukis and Halams are the same, but the Halams were segregated when a certain section agreed to bow before the king, which the Kukis did not. There are also various folklores regarding the origin of the Halams. The Halam tribe is made up of 15 sub-clans and sub-tribes speaking Riang Chong, the common language with minor dialectical differences. The main sub-tribes making up the Halam group are Molsom, Kaipeng, Kalai, Rupine, Rangkhol, Bongcher, Langkai, Korbong, Morsopang, Chorai, Ranglong, Thangchep. As in the case with other tribes inhabiting the northeastern region of India, the lifestyle of the Halams is simple and down to earth. According to local conditions, each sub-clan may engage in activities that are most remunerative. If a region is conducive for agriculture, then this becomes the main occupation. Some may gather vegetables and sell in towns. Halam people are close to the nature and have traditionally worshipped various gods associated with nature.
Birip bol pa na ko ni kumuyan daw ni hong tho. Tukan na hong tho na ta.
যে কোনো ঘরে অসুখ বিসুখ থাকে
Ni hong tho na ta. Abahan
কোনো দিকে পূজা করা যায় না
kumpat sunga ni thon ngan jai ha aba kumuyan doi ha.
কারণ এই মুরগ দুইটা
Nei jam thai nei har dai buddhi kha khoi inson thai.
করলে এরপরে
Sob kichu kumpat dang han nei jam jit na thai. Atai apu sang nei hong tho Durga puja nei hong tho na Durga bantam nu nei hong tho na asola ba ha.
যদি কোরিয়া
Na sono kan ten na thai thai mak me. Kumuyan doi ha thobak na nang arwa kuman ni le. an keng nei hong dam nei hong hara onek kum khat sunga doi tin doi ring hong tho thaya
kir thaya
na budi na kha ko en son
ngai na thono wan den tho thai ma
The Hallam mainly lived on the hill slopes, so slash and burn type of agriculture was the usual practice.
Robor bila koi karobor bilchu alak tatina nai tho munan ni kai don avian hintiang kai at nang tuk samtiang nai atit ani khona keji an nin tum suok gazakat dor aniam ani khora jan nin tum aom hawale han songsar na chalai thai adu gona seyam robor ha alien jitlani lui hasin kala don hawanga alien geran tenchu na songsar na chalai thai mul na ton ten robor bil nai thau na an lap ten na songsar na chalai na hawasi khan robor bil thau sa kayak
Later on, they took to terraced rice farming on the hillsides, and in recent times, they've adopted to growing fruits and vegetables as well as animal husbandry.
Halam natio macin napi napua mol lenata daktora sekhet mangmena pahar lui ngai rama lui di suonga akiak lui apop lui ajeng lui awangai namang cacaka atuka atun cu koni ranglong halam sei mang mei koni daktor aliok nanti daktor han sekhet mang mei yang ahine mang nai iem pathianum nai iem ya he pathian lui pe ka tian ai iem sika yang ahe nai mang sikahan nadam den nai dam den sikahan nai la iem pita atun tana na tuka koi hi lungkam khona atun taka rajaman li jotor miring ne hongni hawa ngai dorahan ai la ia muna luia na man sinu to chaka akamai jap ai ti unahan ko hawa ngai ha kaimang tu ko mi num hong lang de na adamu mai am nin te was kan ai hong ia muna atun tena na la manga na la ia ma na la om ador ha ani imon jai
Rice is a staple food of almost all tribes of the northeast of India. Brewing rice beer is a practice followed since times immemorial. Rice beer may be called chuvak or zoo in local languages, and along with rice, various herbs are used to give distinct flavors. Rice flour is used to prepare the starter culture with yeast or natural fermentation and then added to the mix. Various sub-tribes may use specific rice varieties depending on which one is most commonly and cheaply available. The general practice is to consume freshly brewed rice beer, but sometimes it may be left to age, thereby increasing its alcoholic content. Recipes also vary from one sub-tribe to the other, and it is handed down from one generation to another. The tribes consume undistilled beer known as gora and distilled rice beer known as chuvak. The starter rice flour cakes are dried and preserved. When one wishes to make beer, they are added to boiled rice and kept for fermentation in pots or wooden vats covered by banana leaves. Rice beer is consumed in large quantities during community celebrations and during religious festivals and family events. Common with other tribes, weaving is a hereditary practice. Weaving is done by women in their homes to weave cloth for household use and to sell and earn money. The Molsum tribe is adept at weaving and basketry works in which split cane strips are woven into beautiful baskets. Women weave fabrics with a distinct pattern for the ponzel or lower garment, rasa, which is the chest cover, ponhak, which is a wrapper, kanchili, which is a shirt, and lukom or turban. Cotton is the most common fabric woven from cotton thread, and the entire process is done without machines. About 85% of Halams are educated, with many graduates and only a few school dropouts due to economic considerations. With changing times, the Halams have adopted to a modern way of life. Some of them follow Hinduism and some are converted to Christianity, but still retain essentials of their tribal lifestyle.
Mansana chukoini halam nam China huang hudung kola nay tiuna haba munglen ham kokhat aisinu atina haba khoraming khorpui tabung atiu hivarui hi kumasangkat manaru nintia haba khorpui tabung munake aba nam khat atiuna haba abang inke halam namlang hamrun sabaku haba sikan halam ngai haba munahan theulai maka haba munahan antak rayari tunahan haba munata ahongan phet daretu tiuna haba sonake khur lampui khata halam ngai chat bet lam tina hantinga take ai hong una bharma khona ai hong atiuna hanlai tak chu Burma India ramin ai hom tina haba Burma khona a hong a om u red jaya ai om una ramingin jeha khochui chim atiuna haba muna aba ngain arung re duje halam ngai ra haba ium theri tu lai ma kalam ngai haba sona ke haba mun ehong ma buna atai mun khat khokhat ehong sin re tu na ehong mu halam ngai haba ehong re buna mun raming in ha haba khoraming in ha tin bui sang Burma na din ninti haba Burma ne hom din haba tin bui sang ninti ya haba sona ke haba ram ahong magret uzaya halam ngain haba sona ke ram khata khokhat ahong sen ret uzaya haba khoraming in ha ramathem jol tiuna haba ramathem jol ha manipura india haba manipura poila na yang sinu khon india haba ramathem jol ha haba sona ke haba nata halamba koini narang raline nong run ret atiuna ral ngain haban chu halam ngaira ahong run ret pujaya haba sona ke haba munum halamin ahong ma ret uzaya haba sona ke khotar khat ahong sin ret uje halam ngain ahong ret una khotar eng sin ret uraming in ja mairing ponsen atiuna haba ral ngain halam ngai nei nun ngai dorahan choi pe jitu tina sona ke halam ngai antak re tahan haba na taum asama hong ret ujetina haba sona keng ansana etuna angkhat enteng anbak silet teng ase uje anbak silchara omo anbak tripura na hong ret utina haba ahong urang teng han tidung khat ang palun intiha wa tidung raming ha borak dung atiuna haba borak dung angrokan urang tiang pompui rul ri khat asinun intia haba sona ke halam dora han teng hanon kanuna haba so ke ansen keruna anbakhan silchar anbakhan tripura na aomujaya hatukan halam ruinei ret thainina
Many men and women are educated and have taken up jobs in industries and government, giving up the traditional activities of farming. They still respect indigenous culture like celebration of festivals and respect for ancient gods. They build small dwellings made of bamboo and changras, a type of wild grass available here. Halams live in typical tonghar, specially made of bamboos and changras, thatch. Apart from plain land cultivation, they still practice jhum cultivation and depend on both the activities apart from other substitute works. A good number among them are in government jobs. The He-Hook dance of the Halam people is quite popular, a community celebration at the time of Rai Balmani festival. Koloe, Rupini, Molsom, Ranglong, Langkai have their colorful dances and also have specific dance related to the Jhum culture. He Hook dance of the Halams is the most popular among all. Rai Balmani festival is nowadays observed by Koloi clan of Halams with full of joy and community participation. The Halams are as followers of the Usaka cult, but the influence of Vaishnavism is quite marked, particularly in two sections of the community. They believe in the existence of spirit too. Their worship is solemnized with offerings and sacrifice so that nothing calamitous befalls the community in the form of crop failure or epidemic or any other natural disaster. During the festivals, they sit together to settle all internal disputes, try cases of crime, and inflict punishment on the offenders, which make the puja a useful social gathering in keeping peace and harmony within the community.
Koni ranglong naritina biekju nahan doi nei tho na patien da minga nupang tele pasal te da minga doi nei tho sulam thi ar nei man ton atoka jumat kolan ni nei to ya atar awir chubai nei man tho hanot sak thang anai khit atar ngai chubai naman tho sule nupang teli pasal te ha achunga ulien dora naiman mo ruai naiman lak ruai lak su ten chu apa to biya ha hek titaro ato ka chu nupang te ea pasal te anu pan nupang te anu parang ha sum ai pek mairang jola patula le sasai poisa asang khat dang ka khat hawa asang khat dang ka khat bilaha pasal rang asak en pek tang wasak amani tangwan je ha ya pion doi to na ai to na khoruin rila mi men thai u amani sha muktiar an jai ha ko ni naukil amani sha halamasa an jai ha reng halamasa sa kalimen jai ha montri sak nai pek antin han koni ranglong halam napia
The Halam believe in life after death, and the dead person will be born again according to his karma in the present life. Lushari, a heavenly deity, judges the spirits. Good spirits go to heaven, bad ones return to earth. They also believe in carrying out rituals correctly to ensure the dead person's soul goes to heaven to live in peace. The dead are honored with dancing and singing, something that covers all events. The dead are burnt on a funeral pyre. They believe that the departed person's spirit remains in the house for one full moon. The soul then goes to Thilang Kua, or village of the dead, and returns to earth in the shape of a newborn child. With the passage of time, the Halam people of Tripura are gradually advancing towards progress. Withstanding the challenges of time, they are preserving their traditional values. The colorful culture and rich traditions will always continue to attract everyone, conveying the message of humanity and simplicity.